Generally, to be liable for negligence, a person's conduct must deviate from an applicable standard of care, and that deviation must cause another's harm. In Strait versus Crary, we explore the impact of an actor's age on the standard of care analysis. One evening, 21-year-old Terry Crary purchased alcohol for several teenagers, including 16-year-old David Strait. Crary then took the teenagers for a ride in his pickup truck. Although Crary remained sober, the teenagers became intoxicated. At one point, Strait, who was sitting next to Crary, decided to climb out of the passenger window while the vehicle was moving to join others in the bed of the truck. He fell, and the truck ran over his leg. Rather than calling an ambulance, Crary transported Strait to the hospital himself, causing Strait additional pain. Strait and his parents subsequently sued Crary for negligence. Crary countered that Strait was also negligent. Under Wisconsin's comparative negligence law, if Strait's own negligence contributed to his injuries, then Strait's recovery was to be proportionally reduced by the percentage of fault attributed to him. And if Strait was more than 50% at fault, then recovery was barred completely. Strait requested jury instructions that, in assessing his negligence and comparing it to Crary's, the jury should apply the standard of care applicable to children. The trial court denied the requested instructions, impliedly finding that Strait should be held to the adult standard because he was engaged in adult activities. The jury ultimately found both Crary and Strait negligent, but attributed 61% of the fault to Strait, barring any recovery. Strait appealed to the Wisconsin Court of Appeals, arguing that the trial court erred in failing to instruct the jury on the children's standard of care.